Hello kids, how are you? So after a long time we are back with online classes. So hope you had a very easy exams and all. I have corrected some questions, answer sheets and all I have sent back to you. So hope you got all good marks. Some of them are wrote neatly, that is very good. For neatness also there will be a marks, so keep that in mind and you have to write neatly. And then we gave some subject enrichment activity. Please that also submit before due date. Okay students, so today we are going to learn EVS for class first, that is the third chapter, that is our body. Okay, our body is very special, isn't it? No, our body is special, so we may all look different. Okay, someone will be a tall, someone will be a short, someone will be a lean, someone will be a chubby, thin, correct, lean, someone will be, okay, but we all may look different, but the parts of our body are the same, correct? The parts of our body is same. We may look different, okay, we may look different, but we are unite with a parts of our body. So today we are going to learn a different parts of our body. So firstly we are going to with a hair. Hair, where is your hair? Hair, see, hair. Then it comes to head. Where is your head? Head, correct. Then ears. Where is your ears? Here, correct. Then it comes to eyes. Where is your eyes? Where is your nose? Where is your mouth? Next, where is your neck? It is a neck. Chest, here it is our chest. Then it is arms. Then stomach. See, this one is the stomach part. Then what is that? Fingers. See, fingers. Then knee. This one is a knee. Next, legs. See, this one is a leg. Legs, two legs. Then foot. This one is a foot. This one is a toes. Fingers in hand, toes in legs. Then is a foot. Okay, these are the important parts of our body. These are the important parts of our body. Every part of our body is special, isn't it? Every part of our body is very special and a unique name is there for each part of our body. We need eyes, we need ears, we need nose, we need mouth. Why we need that one? Why we need it? You have to think. Okay, you have to think about it. So today what you have to do is you have to make one video. Okay, you have to make one video. In that video you have to point to each part of your body, like this one: hair, head, ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Like this you have to show your body parts and also you have to name it, like I said, no, hair, head, and you have to make one video and you have to send it to me. Okay, functions of different body parts. We need our body parts, correct? Without eyes we can't see anything, correct? Without eyes we can't see, correct? Without ears we cannot hear anything, correct? Without ears we can't hear anything. Without nose we can't smell the tasty foods or bad smells or good smells. Correct? Without mouth we can't eat anything. Correct? We can't eat, we can't talk. Correct? Without a mouth we can't eat, and without a mouth we can't talk also. Without neck, without neck what will be happen? This is a joining part, no? This neck is a joining part, head and to the chest. Correct? Without a neck, how it will be? We can't twist our neck, we can't move our head like this. Correct? Without neck we can't move our head. Without chest, it is a main part of our body. Correct? The chest part is our main part. So without a chest what we can do? Without arms, how can you do the work? Without fingers, how can you hold the pen? To write you have to hold the pen, no? Without fingers, how can we? So every part is very important. So we can do many things with our body. Each part of our body is useful. To run we want legs. Correct? To write we want hands. We can write, hold things. See, hold things. I can hold things in our hands. We walk, we run, we stand with our legs. We can't run without legs, no? We need legs. So you have to think about it. So look at these pictures in the page number 157. Look at these pictures to see what else we do with our body parts. So jump, you have to jump now. So we can jump with the help of legs. We can jump. Next, with ears, next boy is what is doing? Listening. Correct? Without ears we can't listen. Without ears you can't listen our online. We can't, sorry, you can't see, sorry, you can't listen. Correct? Then climb. See, some of 3 children are climbing the tree with using our body parts. We are using our legs, using our hands, and the 3 children are climbing. Correct? Pull. See, this lady is pulling water from a well. Correct? From the well is pulling the water. Without using a hand, how can pull the water from the well? So we need hand. Smell. See, someone is smelling the flower. So we want nose. Correct? Swim. See, for swimming we want legs and also hands. Correct? So every part is very important. So in this class we learnt about different parts of our body and also what is the functions of our body. Correct? Basic functions. So one activity I have already given, that is to make a video to teach me which are the parts of our body. You have to teach me. Okay, I don't know about that. You have to teach me. Where is hair, where is head, where is neck, where is chest, where is stomach, where is toes and all. So that one make, and think a few more things of a body can do. So they make some of them: jump, listen, climb. Without, let it be more, think more about that and write down what can we do with our body. Okay, so hope you understand the topic and do the activity and